Right now we are here at Mohammed Falls, located in Karama, where very near in the metro station ABCB, and they have a lot of mobile phones, cover, and you can buy it by a tabi, by 4-month installment, and they have mobile repair also, and electronic equipment, karaoke. You can sing like this. Bluetooth speaker, everything. And this is the owner. And the staff are all here also. Why don't you praise yourself? Hi, say hi. And here you can buy a lot of phones via Tabi, and they have also watch repairing and mobile repairing. Come on, guys.